This is the greatest waterfall in the world. Oh! Don't fall off the cliff. What's up, guys? We're in the middle of the jungle right now. We're on our way down to this place called Twin Falls or Lip Falls. It's one of the two. I'll find out later. I'll leave it in the description. I forgot to bring a shirt. I forgot to bring a towel. I forgot to bring a jumper. I forgot everything. I am freezing. But let the adventure begin. I'm gonna get hypothermia out here, I reckon. Shit is so cold. At the entry point of this place, it said that it was a 4-kilometer round trip, I guess. We're doing this shirtless, in the rain, no shoes, on the rocks. It's not the most ideal situation. Damn! 90-degree tree. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, look at this tree. That's fallen. Look at all these trees that have fallen. Whoa! Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Alright, alright. Whew. Whoa! That is mad! Look at that! Yeah! So apparently, in about 750 meters from here, we're gonna get to this place called the Lip Falls. Apparently, you can go, like, walk behind the waterfall or something. I don't know. I've never been here before. I don't even know what it looks like. But now 726 meters away, let's get going. Current temperature is 18 degrees. Negative, minus 18 degrees. It's not, but feels like that. Oh, what the? How you going? That is crazy. Look at that shit. This, I think, is the best thing I've ever seen. Alright, you wanna hold the bag? You're gonna be looking mad, Eshe. There's more. This shit is by far the best, coolest waterfall, walk, whatever it's called thing I've done in my life. Look at that shit. Look at that. Alright. Let's climb up just a little bit to get a bit closer. Whoa! Oh, that is insane. Alright, I'm going down. We gotta keep going. I don't know if there's much left of this place, but we're gonna keep walking down this trail here and see where it leads us, but we might have to turn around and walk back soon. Twin Falls via the cave. The cave. This shit gets better and better, bro. There's a cave now. Who would want to go via the creek instead of a cave? Crazy. Oh my goodness, golly gosh, I am freezing. Colder than a bloody... What? Just when we thought it couldn't get any better. Ooh. Inside the cave. What? I don't even know if you can see this. Is that another waterfall or what? Sounds like it. Shut up. The water's flowing. What the hell is that? Oh my god! Oh! He's trying to get me. Wow. Don't fall off the cliff. Crazy guy. Bro just walked off the cliff. You're not gonna believe your eyes in a second. Whoa! Oh, here we go behind it. Look at the power of that thing. Holy shit. Look at that. This is the greatest waterfall in the world. I don't know about the world, but it's crazy. Should we go behind? Look at that one even. Holy shit. What? Yo. You are kidding me. No. I gotta be careful, this is so slippery. That is the most insane thing I have ever seen in my whole life. That is crazy. You can't even explain this feeling right now. Look at the breeze!